When you're selecting a site for your rain garden, you have to know your soil's infiltration rate. For a soil to work well, it has to infiltrate water at a minimum of 1/4 inch per hour. To test that, we will do what we call a drain test. We'll dig an 8-inch diameter hole in the yard about 8 inches deep, fill it with water, and let that water drain and calculate the time it takes to drain. There are some nuances to this test, which I'll explain. But first, to dig your hole, use a garden shovel. They're approximately 8 inches across. Remove the sod first. Continue digging your hole with a hand trowel or with a garden shovel to about 8 inches in depth. To conduct the drain test, you've got your 8-inch hole. Fill it with water and let it drain for 1 to 2 hours. If it drains more rapidly, fill it again. This is to pre-wet the soil so you get a truer test of a wet soil drainage rate. Do this test in the spring when it's typically the wet season, not in the hot summer when the soil has dried and there may be cracks and the water will infiltrate more rapidly than it normally would. Once it drains completely empty, refill it and mark the level of the water. Then start your time. Check your clock and measure every 30 minutes the depth of water below your mark to see how quickly it drains. You want to calculate the inches per hour that the water drains down in your hole. After you've filled your hole with water, take a small stick, or as I'm doing here, a pencil, and stick it into the side of the hole right at the water level. Now, as the water drains, you can take your tape measure or your ruler and measure from that pencil down to the depth of the water. Do this until the water drains out of the hole. Use these calculations as shown to compute the inches per hour your water drains into your soil.